Good morning, students. So take out your marigold. Take out your marigold. So in the previous class we have discussed about the term 1 syllabus now. All of you know what will come in your term 1? Yes or no? Do you know your syllabus for term 1? Okay, in the previous class we have revised the yellow butterfly, na? Yes or no? Okay, so today we are going to revise the balloon man. Okay, the balloon man. So take out page number 43. Take out page number 43. Page number 43. Marigold. Take out your marigold, page number 43. We are going to revise today the balloon man. Okay, the balloon man. Okay, so let's start. The balloon man. So we have completed the poem now. Yes or no? And also the question answer now. Question answer also completed. Okay. So the balloon man. So in the poem, what we have seen in the poem, that there was a balloon man, na? And he always comes on market days. Market days means when the market opens, na? When the gathering comes, and holds balloons, a lovely bunch, and the balloon man holds lots of balloons, na? Colorful balloons, and it looks very lovely, very pretty. And in the market square he stays. And where he stays with the balloon? Market square. Do you know the meaning of square? Yes or no? Do you know the meaning of square? Four-sided area, na? Square means yes. Square means four-sided area. Okay, four-sided area where the balloon man stands and never seems to think of lunch. And he is so busy in his work that he never thinks of his lunch. He forget to take his lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. So balloons are in different colors, na? And they are red, purple, blue and green, 4 colors. And when it is a sunny day means a day full of sunlight, bright sunlight, okay? The cars and people get between. You see them shining far away. And when the day starts, the gathering comes and all the people with cart, the whole marketplace becomes crowded. Okay? And some are big and some are small. So Some balloons are big and some balloons are small, all tied together with a string. So you know na that a balloon always tied with a string, na? And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. And when the wind comes, all the balloons go up high in the air. Someday perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high. So, who are we here? The children like you. So, they are expecting that one day will come when the balloon man let all the balloons fly high in the sky and stand and watch them from below, and all the children from below, they enjoy to see all the balloons high in the sky. They would look pretty in the sky, and all the balloons, all the colorful balloons looks very pretty high in the sky, and all the children like you, they enjoy the balloons. Okay, sailing high in the sky. So this is your poem, and come to page number 44. Okay, page number 44. So students, tell me, where does the balloon man stand? Students? Very good. The balloon man stands near the market square. Okay. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? They repeat your answer. They tug and tug like anything. When there is a wind, all the balloons tug and tug a lot of times, na? When there is a wind, they tug and tug a lot of times. Okay. Okay, next question. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? What does the child like to see the balloon man do? The child the child the child likes to see the balloon man. The child likes to see that one day the balloon man let all the balloons go high in the sky, and they will enjoy to see the balloon from below. Na? Okay. Okay, then there is a word building, students. So we have completed now all the jumble letters. Page number 44. Okay, so let's revise once again. Double L A B double O N S. If we arrange these letters, which word will form? Balloons, na? BALLOONS. Can you see the board, students? Okay. Next one is ULBE. It will become blue. BLUE, blue. It will become blue. Next one is WOLBE. It will become below. BELOW, below. Next one is, students, CUNLH. It will become lunch. LUNCH, lunch. Okay. Next one is PLOEEP, and it will become people. PEOPLE, people. Next one is CRAT, and it will become CART, cart. Okay. Next, students, put the words given in the box into the following groups. Number A, nature, grass and sky also, na? Next, B, food, pineapple, and next one, turnip. Number C, colors, white and green. You may also write yellow, na? Yellow, white, you can write. Okay. Then, students, there is, come to page number 45. How many colors can you find hidden in the maze? Write their names below. So the first one will be white, na? The first one will be white. Then the second one will be black. Number 3, violet. Number 4, pink. Number 5, purple. And number 6, blue. Okay. Then come to 4. Fill in the blanks in the balloons with their opposites. You can find them in the poem The Balloon Man. So, just like never, opposite always. So, small, big, very good. Small, big. Rainy, very good. Sunny. Low, high. Sit, stand. Near, far. Very good, students. Near, far. So, students, you know that in your term 1 again it will be in the form of MCQ. Okay, MCQ questions will come in your term 1, and students repeatedly please check your website. Okay, the notification will be given there, and all the informations you can get from there. Okay, so please check your websites repeatedly. Okay, so students, have you any confusion regarding the balloon man? Yes or no? Huh? So students, we have revised 2 chapters now, the balloon man and the yellow butterfly. Okay, and you know your grammar syllabus from chapter number 1 to 14 will come now, up to adjectives. Up to adjectives will come in your term 1. Okay, adjectives, comparison, A and the pronouns and verb. Yes, I will give this class on YouTube. Okay, from chapter number 1 to 14 will come, up to verb. Up to verbs will come in your term 1. Okay, please repeat your question. In marigold, from unit 1 to unit 5 will come now, up to the yellow butterfly. From good morning to the yellow butterfly will come. Okay, from unit 1 to unit 5 will come. Okay, in your marigold. Okay students, bye.